We have a YCM Vertical Machining Center model XV1020A, serial number 401050. This machine was new in 2007 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a FANUC MXP 200i control. We're going to run, it has a 40 taper spindle that has 10,000 RPM max. Right now we're running at 2,000 RPM. Again, it goes up to 10. 4,000, super quiet. Machine has a 24 tool side mount automatic tool changer. 6,000 RPM. 8,000 RPM. Again, very, very quiet machine. That's original paint also. You have a 44 by 20.4 inch T-slotted table for simulating a tool change. You have 40 inches of X travel, 20.4 in Y and 21.2 in Z. And the spindle has a 30 horsepower AC motor. That's your Z axis. Very quiet. Telescopic weight covers. Your Y. And your X. All the axes are quiet. Again, telescopic weight covers are all nice and clean. Machine also has a remote jog handle. Hey, thank you for watching our video.